Hi guys, Jono here from EcomX SEO. Just quickly, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, just hit the subscribe button and hit the bell below. And also, if you haven't applied for our free private Facebook group on Shopify SEO, head on over to within the link below and we'll approve you and let you in. There's plenty of great content in there. And lastly, if you haven't checked out our free Shopify SEO course, 3-part mini course, the link's in the description as well. Now in this video today, I'm just going to talk about what I like to do with video in my Shopify stores and my client stores. So as we all know, we can add video anywhere within a Shopify store. So on the home page, collection pages, product pages, and in blogs, for example. And it's real simple to do. You just embed your video within the Shopify editing dashboard. But I like to go one step further, and I'd like to add video schema to the pages where the videos are. It just provides that extra relevance to Google. Google understands that what the video is about. It's relevant to the page, ties the page together, ties all the entities together, and it just helps. And it takes not very long to implement at all, especially when you've got the code ready and you can just swap out the information you need and add it to your page. So if we just go to this particular collection page here, so you can see we've got a video on the page, we've got all our products there on the collection page and some questions that people might be asking about the products. And then we've added a video on which is relevant to a particular product on this collection page. So the video's there, and having a video is good, but even better is having a video with schema. So the way we add the schema is if you just come to your editing dashboard for your collection or your product page or your blog page, you come to the description and you click on show HTML, and then we just add the schema at the bottom of the HTML in this section here. So you can see if we scroll up, this has got a lot of different schema in here, but we're only going to look at video schema. So we've got our content here, and if we scroll on down, just ignore all this other schema in here. We can see here, if I just highlight, whoops, let me just go back. So we're just going to highlight that section where the video schema is. I'll just open up my window a little more and highlight all the way to here. And we can see that highlight section, that's all the video schema code. So you paste the code in here with all your information, and I'll show you in a second how you do that. Then you can just click Save Page from here, or you can click the Show HTML button again, then save your page, because the code's only going to show in the source code, not on the front end of the store. And then the code is added to your page. Now the code, I've provided this code, there's a link below in the description where you can swap out your information. It'll go to this Google Sheet, and you can just swap out your information where there's red text for your particular video. So you add in the name of the video, the alternate name of the video, a disambiguating description of the video, video description, YouTube or Vimeo URL, for example, a thumbnail URL, the date and duration. So you just need to make sure you keep the format of the date and duration the same. The video URL again, and then the embed URL. You swap out all that information, and then what you can do is come to your structured data tool. And I'm just going to click back because I've already run this page in the structured data tool. But what you can probably do first, come to the search.google.com/structured data/testing tool, go to new test, and you can actually paste the code directly into the structured data testing tool, click run test, and it'll just scan that code to make sure there's no errors or warnings in that code, and then you know it's fine to add to your page. But then also what you should do is once you've added to your page, come and add your URL in the fetch URL field here, click run test, and that's what I've done here. And then it pulls back all the schema on the page. You can see here, here's the video object schema for that particular collection page. No errors, all the information's in there, no errors and no warnings. So that's all fine and ready to go. So yeah, all you need to do is go and you can use this code, swap out your information, make sure you test it, and then test your URL once it's implemented so you have no errors. Generally, if there are any errors, it's most of the time it's because you've missed a comma or a quotation mark, that this all needs to be correct before it validates. So you just need to make sure you get that right when you're copying, pasting, or writing it out manually, and then go and validate and test it. So just a little bit extra information that helps with the relevance and providing the best information you can for Google using VideoObject Schema in your Shopify stores. Thanks. I will see you in the next video.